na. Pwede na.
Teka lang ako. Ano?
Okay na.
Sige na, T.
Okay. Hello. What is your first name?
I am Shang.
How old are you?
I am 18.
Where were you born?
I'm Butuan City.
Okay. Where do you currently live?
I'm live in Hiliacananga.
Okay. What is your gender orientation?
I am gay.
Oh. What age did you realize your gender orientation?
Well, when I was 5 years old, I feel nga tingalin na dito.
That's all. Okay. Are you single, in a relationship, or married?
In relationship.
What pronoun do you want people to use to address you? He, she, they, or others?
It depends because everyone has kind of POV. Like they can call me energy.
Yeah. Have you experienced any kind of assault with regards to your gender? Would you mind sharing your situation? If not, it is totally okay.
Well, in this world, dili man jud malikayan ang judgment, bullying, and discrimination because like labi na sa mga bayos and sa ako dali lagi siya mabuli kay daghang mga bayot nga wala ko respeto sa ubang tao. That's why ang mga uban nga bayot nga ng butan madamay na noon and si Mora.
Thank you. What have you done to conquer it?
Dili na ko sila panginawon kay if manginaw ko sa ilahang murag wala sa kong confident then may stress na noon ko. So I chose to be silent. That's it. Sure.
Do you have any movement to help your fellow community?
Yes, dapat jud mag-socialize ka sa ilahan mag-make or mag-volunteer ka. Mag-volunteer ka like about sa mga hygiene kay labi na sa mga bayos. Wala to theory.
Is your family supportive with your choice?
Yeah.
Okay, last question. What can you say to other people who might have experienced the same thing you went through? Any word of encouragement?
Be strong. Be strong enough to yourself. Kay sa kalang nga panahon jud dili jud na malikayan ng mga bullying, especially sa same sa amo. Dapat jud full confidence ka and strong enough. Tama naman siya.
Thank you. Thank you for the interview. Okay na. Salamat.
Sige natin.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.